Hello mga ka-Indian, and ngayong araw dahil 25th holiday and dalawa sa mga brothers natin ay walang mga pasok. So we decided na mag-ikot-ikot kami sa Delhi, dun sa mga cheaper na lugar. Kumbaga yung mga libreng entrance lang at saka yung actually isa lang naman yung may entrance fee, yung Purana Kila. And yung Purana Kila is ito yung old fort. Ito ay yan mosque yan siya before during the Mughal period. So, isa sa mga pinakapaborito ko talagang gawin pag nag-iikot ay puntahan yung mga historical places. Kasi I really want to immerse myself more, learn more about the culture and the people that lived there before. And of course, it will teach us lessons on how the people that are living there in the present. And ito, yan, napakaganda ng old fort na to together with the, of course, naglulumot na lake. Okay. Lunch, biryani. Okay. Mutton biryani for lunch and chicken sa kanila. Napaka-oily nga lang pero sarap naman. This is the famous India Gate. Okay. Napakaraming tao. Thousands of them. And nakakatuwa. Ayan. Ito naman, ancient deep well. Steep well pala. And yun, nakaka-enjoy itong araw na to. That's all. Thank you and bye-bye.